Okay, yes, please. This is Antonio Godfrey from Uganda. Today, we are going to learn how to create an online form using an expression web. We're going to use an expression web to create our own website. So let us get started without using a lot of time. Now it is very simple to create a website and containing a form where your people who, or your customers who visit your website can really submit their comments and submit their requests and so on and their order. Now let us get started. If we want to create a website, we can use a program called Expression Web, or we can use Dreamweaver, we can use WordPress, and we can use other software we can use to create a website. But today we're going to look at how to create a form of this type. This is the form we're going to create, having this is the title, Biashara Online, Biashara Now Online Learning. It's containing the name, where there is these input boxes where you type your own names. Then these are radio buttons where you just click and select. If you are male, you select male. If you are female, then we shall look at how to put these horizontal lines. We shall look at how to put this checkable box and the submit button is or the send and the clear button. Let us get started. We go to the search button. When we go to the search button, we look for expression web 4. You're going to use expression web 4. You can use expression web 3 if you have Windows 7 and XP, but it's advisable to use expression web 4, but even web 3 can work. Okay, as it is loading, this application is very easy. It has little coding, and there is no coding completely apart from just putting some MAPI in it. Now let us create our new website. In the first video, we learned how to create a website and its pages. But let us also make a review first. First of all, what you do, you can go to site. After site, on the tab site, you look for the word new site, or you can press Ctrl Shift N. Then you click that site one, new site. You select general. After general, you look for one page site. Then you click. After clicking, remember we have not created our folder. So what we do, we browse where we are going to store our website. We click browse. After clicking browse, we create a new folder. After creating a new folder, you put the name of your folder. You can say Biashara Now. Biashara Now online form. This is online form. So it is where we're going to store our website from. So after you click open, we are going to store in Biashara Now online form. Then you click again open. Then it will come in the location. It is on the desktop, Biashara Now online form. Then you press on OK. Now it is creating a website. It has created this website. It is containing the word default.html, so we will rename this one default.html. Default.html. We right click, then we look for the word rename. change the name because we are dealing with the online form. We're going to create a form, not other pages, but just form. But in the first video, we learned how to create those pages. But let us have just only for a page for a form. We shall connect them together. We call it login. Login.html. Login form or login page.html. Then you click in space here in this white area. Then it will ask you to confirm whether you are ready to save or to change the name. You say yes. Then after you open this page by double clicking on it, then it opens, then you start creating your website. Now let us go and look at what some of the features which are there on the form. It is having the title. The title is called Biashara, or the heading is called Biashara Now Online Learning. Let us go back. It was in the center. So what we can do, we can use these tabs, these symbols, or these features. We look for the center button or Control E. Then we type there what was there, Biashara. We type there, Biashara. Now on, this is online. It was Biashara Now Online what? That's first this one. Let's go down here. Okay, this is Biashara Now Online Learning. We can go, we put here, it is Biashara Now Online Learning. Now this application works like word processing because it has tabs which can help you to just click on it and takes you where you want. So we have finished to put there Biashara Now Online. Then the next item is putting the horizontal line. But before we put the horizontal line, we can put there a welcome. Okay, it's fine. Let us first put the horizontal line first. We can put the horizontal line. So what we do, we look for the panel. We go to panel so that we can create this side on our right a toolbox. So we go to panel, we look for toolbox in the list, then you put a tick, then it will come. Then we look for horizontal line. The horizontal line is here, so we double click on it, or you can double click and we drag there. You can double click and we drag, or you can just double click and it will come. This is the horizontal line. You double click on it to format it, because when you try to look at the color, it is so fine and the size is very thin. So we increase the height. To 10. Okay. We can also make it solid. The color it is black, we can go with it. Select the black color. We select the black color, then we say okay. But it is very wide, we can reduce the size by double clicking. We reduce the size. We put it in the center like that. Now I think that one will be also fine. Now we want to put a welcoming note so that welcome to Biashara Now. Okay? So what we can do, click the next paragraph, we put, this time we are going to use some simple coding. When you try to look at down here, there is design, 3 buttons, there is design, there is print, and there is a code. So we shall go to code, and we look at the last paragraph. Our last paragraph was we talked about the horizontal line. After this one, we have put there an horizontal line. Put the horizontal line here with the shading. So below the horizontal line, there is some spacing there. So we can put it at the end of that horizontal line. We put there the cursor at the end. Then we press enter button. We put it there. Open angle bracket. We take the word marquee. We put there the marquee, which will be our welcoming remarks. Then we close it. Then in between there, we can type the word, the welcoming remarks. So, apply. I say apply. Here the word apply for online, apply for online learning. Apply for online learning. Apply for online learning. So we can go with that one. With us, biashara now. Biashara now 24/7. Then after you go back to design tab, it will come there. So you may ask, why is it not moving? It is going to move when you run it in the browser. So our next item is, let us try to look at our next item. Our next item is to put the name for the applicant. The name for applicant. So what we can do, we go back to our application. We press. Okay. It is a name. Put there star. It is name, which means it's compulsory. You must put there the name. We put an input box. The input box, we look at the toolbox here. We look for the feature which matches with the input box. Now let us try to move. This is for image. This is for file. This is for input button. This is for checkbox. But we want to put input box. Let us try to see. Input text is here. Input what text? Because we are going to type our names, our text there. So we double click on it, it will come down, then you drag it here. So to line with the word. And expand, because the name might be long. So we can expand. We can expand the name. Oh, it's fine, let us continue. But you can put it also in a box, in a certain box, a shape. You can put it in a shape. You can go to insert. You can use insert. And so on. But for now, let just do it as it is directly the other side. Some space there. Then you can go to the next line. The next line is telling us to put there which level. It is level. Putting it in the center. Level. So is a level. Level. After level, we put the same button because it is an text. And drag it there. And put it here. Put it there. You can even expand also. And expand. You can expand. So that they lay together. Yes. Like that. And you can go to the next item. Next item is email. 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 Put email. Email. Put there. Then you can just, instead of just doing the same, you can copy this on Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Ctrl C. And then you can Ctrl V. Take that. Then you can go to the next tree. Then go to the next item. The next item is all about gender, which is the sex. Okay. Is the sex. The sex. The sex. Why is it? The next one is, this one is sex. Sex. So we are going to use radio button is here. You can drag it here and drag it here. Yes. Then that is for male. Then for female, you can also do the same with copy this one, and we can say this is female. This is female. So now these are checked, but we don't want them to be checked. Now click on it. Then you choose not selected. Press OK. Then you also do the same. Not selected. Press OK. We shall select all. Now after, you can go to the next item. You can keep on pressing Ctrl S. The next item is putting another horizontal line. But since we have created our first horizontal line, we can just come and click on it. We copy Ctrl C and then we press Ctrl V. Spacing here, so there's my spacing there. Now down here, I'll go to the next item. Next item is about application interested. So we go to the application interested. Application interested here. We say Control U, that is underline. Then we say application. So application interested. Application. Just Control U. Underline Control U. Application interested. And make it thick and increase the size here. Can make it heading 1, heading 2. We make it center. We can change the font color and change the font. Times New Roman, area round. I think that is it. Then you can go down. And go down after application. Application, for the application is required. Here you can see. So we can let's rate it. Yes, it has gold. It has gold. Even these ones. As we selected twice. Supposing we have finished type, that's just to know these buttons. These ones. Supposing we have finished type our application is interested. For if you are interested in this one, these are the applications we will go to radio button is on it. Sorry, check the box because this one with this one sound radio. This check box where you tick and you get okay. Come and click at the beginning, then we go to the panel, we look for the toolbox, then we look for the checkbox. This is checkbox. Checkbox, so you can put the checkbox there. See the checkbox. Now we can just duplicate these ones by pressing Ctrl C. Then we can paste it here. Paste it here. We do the same here. We paste. We do the same without wasting time. We paste. We paste. We paste. Then we paste. 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 So when we all paste it, here we have put specify. If you want to specify something, you put there in input box. Here in input box it means that what we do, we go back at the panel, we go back at the toolbox, we bring the input text. We drag here. We drag it here. We can just go. We just go at the beginning. We bring here one checkbox. For example, this one, we copy this one. Then we come down. We paste the center button. So what we can do, we go back, we look for the panel, we go to the toolbox, then when the toolbox comes, let us put this side, let's come up, we look for the submit button, it is here, and we set it will be for clearing, then submit will be for send. You double click, then it has come, and also double click this one, also appears once, then you can close this one, then we'll set to put them in the right position. For example, this one, you plug it down here, use spacing, also you put this one here. Now, this spacing here, this which is there, the spacing which is there. This is the submit button. Now click on it. The value label will change here. Change this one to send. Then that is submit button. You press OK. And this one is reset. Now click on it. Instead of reset label, we say clear. And you can say OK. Now there is much spacing there. Just bring near each other. Then, if we are done with this, let me make some marking here, much marking on it. Let's see. Fill the formattings. We cannot add much there. It's fine. Now we want to see whether the application is working. Click on saving. Now I want to see whether this one is like this very short and expand it. Or you can reduce it as you may want. Reducing it this more extent. We are not putting a table. We would have inserted all this in a table. Let's press Ctrl A and Ctrl X. Then we first insert the table. Insert, the table is here. Is here. Insert the table. The table, it will be one column, and it will be also one row. Also be one row. We can put the size to either 50. No, that is 150. Let's put to 60. 60. The background, the color, we can put the background color of our case. Let's make that one. check. They are all learning. So these ones, they are all checked. You want to say to add check there, we double click. We say no, check, because we are the one to check it. We double click on it, and we say not selected. Press OK. Now we can press Ctrl S, that is saving. So we want to run and we see our website looks like. We can go to view site and right click on it. So right click, this is login. Right click on it, you open with Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge. Let us use Microsoft Edge to open and review our website, because we are now done with creating a website, a login form on our website. Yes, there we are. It's going to be a share now online learning. So they are telling us to apply for online learning with us via Share 24/7. So now we start applying. This is it. Whatever, Godfrey level, which level? We can say level. It is level. We can say L level. Then you can put the email. The email is go. We put the email Godfrey Mutebe 8 gmail.com. Is email. Wants to learn how to develop a website. These images have just come because we copied the other side, but we did not include them. Which application website development and which other thing is for today, and the application development, let me say system development. Then I can send and click the send button. So once you click send button, it will send the information. Once you click clear button, it is supposed to clear the form. So that is all about our form. So if there's something which are not moving well, so you go back and edit it. You go to the login form, then you look for all things which are there, which are not showing our yes. Then press OK. Then here can be the site, and you can delete these images which are there. These images you can delete. Make sure yes. Then we can view the site again. Right click, we open with Microsoft Edge. Then we can refresh. I've deleted these ones, that's why they are appearing in that arrow. So once you click the clear button, it will clear. If once you see send, it will say send the information. that is all about creating a form, and you can even publish it online. Since we are not online, that's why this button is not working. But when we are online, the information in this one is sent button will send the information to the person on Sunday. Now, let us stop there. Next time we shall add other things. Let me put the comment area. Let me put the comment area so that you can comment for any if you see some need for improvement, or if you are not here. If I was speeding, you can also put there if you are speeding, then I can reduce the speed. Then there I can put there the comment section so that you can put the comment of your choice. Then let us look for this is text. Use text area. Then we can put yes. Good morning. Yes. Here I can increase the comment section. Then you can save. You can go and review it. We refresh here. Then the comment section has come. So you can type your comment that you have been speeding for the lesson or for the reading for the let me see lesson because this is a lesson. For the lesson, you also speed for the lesson. Then you say and send, and it will be submitted. Thank you for now. Dr. Godfrey from Uganda. I wish you next time. Thank you.